Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to turn on or off the motion limit, specifically the frame rate limit, on your iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max. First things first, let's go to your iPhone settings. Just tap on the gear icon on your home screen or app library. Next, scroll down and find accessibility. This is where Apple includes all the features to make the iPhone easier to use for everyone. In the accessibility menu, tap on Motion. Here, you'll find different settings that control the motion effects on your iPhone. Now, look for Limit Frame Rate and tap on it. By turning this on, you limit the maximum frame rate of the display to 60 frames per second. This can save battery and reduce certain motion effects. Limiting frame rate can be helpful if you're sensitive to motion or want to conserve battery life. It's great for reading or when you don't need high frame rates. And that's it. You now know how to enable or disable motion limit on your iPhone 14 Pro series. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share the Everything channel. If you have any questions, drop them below and I'll make sure to reply. Thanks for watching.